How to use Loom video recorder. Where in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use the Loom's video recorder right here. So as you can see right now, all you need to do is type in Loom, and once you're here at Loom, you will see you'll be located at your website. Once you're here at the website, you will see record a video right here in the bottom left corner, right there. All we need to do is press on that. So here at the Loom right here, how does it work? Here we have ourselves the normal on the right side. Right here on the left, you can't press any of that right at the moment because you haven't started recording. You can only move those when you have started recording. And here, as you can see right there, you can move this right here for the image right here, or you can click on the three dots and just close it, remove it if you don't need it, or make it small or medium. As you can see right now, we are on right here, and we can add camera if we want. Here, as you can see, our camera is off. If we want to turn it on, just press on that, like so. There you go. Use the let's say laptop right there. Just turn it on. As you can see, it's not working because I haven't plugged in yet my camera the right way. I think I plugged it in on the wrong way, so that's maybe the purpose. Actually, here you can see your mic right here. As you see, you can change your mic. You'll just click on it, and as you can see, mic test, it is working because it's moving like so. And here we can see the Windows right here, screen option, capturing windows and whatnot right there. So you can do a Windows full screen, current tab, and camera only if you want. So there we go, as you see. And here we have the capture. Screen type, we have custom area and current tab right here. You can select which one you want. And here, right here, we have home right here. So once you're here, all of the videos that you made, and as you can see, those videos right there on the bottom, right there, those are the videos that we made last time. So now, what I'm going to do is press on start recording once you are ready. So after pressing on start on recording, we may choose which one right here. So just choose full screen, and there you go. As you can see, skip 2 1, kaboom, and now we are recording right here right now. And here you can now choose to restart the recording by just pressing on this, or you can alt shift R right there, restart right here. If you want to restart recording, your current video will be lost by just starting recording. We're just gonna click on resume. Here we can pause the video right here, so we can pause the video if we want to make any adjustments, and here we can delete the video if we want to delete or cancel it. And here we have rewind trim. So once we click on that right there, as you can see right now, we can rewind from anything right here. For example, right here. There you go. As simple as that. There you go, as you can see right there. And then there you go. Once we're done, click on play. Then there you go. That's how you do it, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible and here how to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.